I'm Christian here at ikonboats, and today I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall your tackle storage working lights as well as where your connection is for it. So for your working lights, you only have 2 screws holding both of them in here at the lid, so you just need a number 2 Phillips bit to take those 2 screws out. After taking those 2 screws out, you can see where this wire leads all the way down this metal lid right here. On both sides, they meet in the middle and are connected by one Deutsch connector. So it's just plug and play, just like all our other connections here at ikonboats. To reinstall your light, insert your screw into the light. This is how you install and uninstall your working lights in your center tackle storage lid.